Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go count. Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. Hey math stars, how are you doing today? Well, we're going to learn about another three-dimensional shape today. You know, remember, two-dimensional means flat, like your circles or squares or triangles, something that you can draw on your paper, right? But we're going to talk about three-dimensional shapes. Yesterday, do you remember what shape we talked about? It's like only had curved sides, right? Curved sides and was round. It was called a sphere. Good. So what are we going to do today? You are in module 14, lesson 2. It says, I can describe the characteristics of a cube. I guess we will find out what a cube is. But let's review our two-dimensional shapes. We have circle, which is round, right? We have a square, which has we counted 4 equal sides. And then we had a triangle, which has 3 sides. So yesterday, like I said, we learned about a sphere. Today, we're going to learn about a cube right here. And a cube is a solid object that has 6 flat square surfaces. It is three-dimensional, not flat. So here we have a cube. Do you see how it has its square right here? Well, let's look. It says it has 6 flat square surfaces. So we're going to count them. We can't see all of them, though. We can see 1, 2, and 3. Well, right here on this, see the other side right around the corner from the 3 would be a fourth one. And right around the corner from the 1, that would be a 5th one. Then there's 1 on the bottom that it's sitting on, which would be the 6th one. All right, so 6 flat surfaces, 6 flat surfaces. Not just flat, but they're square, 6 flat. So a cube, say a cube, is a solid object with 6 flat square surfaces. And it's three-dimensional. It's not flat. Have you guys ever seen a Rubik's Cube? Yep, those are pretty fun. Pretty fun. That is a cube because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sides. 6 sides. Yep. All right. And oh, well, that looks kind of fun. It's a present. It's a present, and it looks like it's a cube present. All right. Let's see here. Let's go into our book. Listen to this story. Talk about the shapes you see in the picture. Mark an X on all the items that Pablo may need. Pablo needs items in the pantry that have only flat surfaces that are all the same size. I'll read it again because I was yawning. I'm sorry. Pablo needs items in the pantry that have only flat surfaces that are all the same size. So all of the flat surfaces need to be the same size. So let's look in the pantry. You probably have, those look like cans right there, don't they? Well, those cans have only flat surfaces the same size. Well, this has a cans have curved surfaces, don't they? They do have a flat on top and bottom, but they don't have all flat surfaces the same size. How about this? This looks like an object with flat surfaces all the same size. Now, look at this. This is a cone, and it has a curved surface and a flat surface. So that's not what he needs. And those cans, they have curved surfaces and flat surfaces. He doesn't need that. How about this one? Yeah, that one looks like one he could use. And there's another cone. So which are the ones that he would want? I'm going to circle them. Mark an X. Sorry, it says mark an X on the ones that he would need. There we go. Has all flat surfaces that are the same size. All right. Okay. Right here. Color the object that is shaped like a cube for each of these pictures, okay? There's a can, there's an orange, there's a box of tea. It says frozen yogurt. And cones and toppings. Which picture in each which object in each of those pictures is shaped like a cube? Go ahead and pause this while you do that. All right, here we go. You're going to point to each flat surface you see on the cube, and you're going to color each flat surface a different color. Okay, so we only can see 3 of them, right? We can only see 3 of the colors. I mean, 3 of the sides. So we're going to color them all a different shape. I mean, a different color. You don't color them a shape, do you? We're going to color them all a different color. So red. There we go. Orange. Green. There we go. You would color all of them that you can see. You can pause this while you do that, okay? All right. You're going to mark an X on the object that only has flat surfaces. Only flat. No curved surfaces at all. All right. Which object only has flat surfaces? All right. Well, up, we already did this, right? We looked at different ways you can make cubes or different objects in real life that are cubes. So remember, how many flat surfaces? Do you remember? 6 flat surfaces that are the same size. That makes a cube. So we have learned about 2 different 3-dimensional shapes. Do you guys remember what this one's called? Yes, it's a soccer ball, but what is the shape called? Sphere. It's a sphere. And this one that we learned about today is a cube. Okay, you can go find your homeschool mom and ask them to read the directions for the on your own question, okay? And show them all that you've learned about cubes. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, Math Stars.